In today's lecture, we will be talking about listening and why is listening important in your IELTS for modules listening, reading, writing and speaking. And सबसे पहले बेसिक देख लेते हैं. As listening is a total 40 minutes of test and for 30 minutes will be given for listening to the audio. Will be listening to the recordings, different recordings in 4 sections, and each section will have 10 questions. Each question was 1 mark, and after completing that, after taking notes on your question booklet, you will be given an extra 10 minutes time to transfer your answers to the OMR sheet. और शुरू करते हैं. सबसे पहले थोड़ी बातें आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि लिसनिंग इम्पोर्टेंट क्यों है, आयस ने लिसनिंग क्यों रखा है अपने, और चारों जो मॉड्यूल है उसमें लिसनिंग उन्होंने क्यों चूज़ किया है, क्यों पसंद किया, उसके बारे में थोड़ा डिस्कस करेंगे और कैसे इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं लिसनिंग यह भी देखेंगे. सबसे पहले what are the aspects that are important in listening and IELTS have considered before selecting listening as one of the modules in test. As you know, you are gonna take IELTS test as if you want to go abroad and do further study, and you will be living in English speaking country, so it is a requirement that you have proficiency of language or that level of understanding English, communicating in English enough to communicate with the people living over there. And there will be several situations that you would encounter during your study, such as several situations which are educational and residential. You will be you will be seeking help for accommodation in foreign country, transport if you are transporting from, or if you are traveling from your college to the location or your home, or if you are doing any job, then you will be required to communicate with people in terms of transportation. Also, you will be required to talk about entertainment or to have entertainment over there. You will be you will have to go for shopping, and also health is very important. If you need any help, you will have to speak that, you will have to say that in English. So it is very important that you have enough knowledge to describe things and to seek for help. ये सारी चीज़ें हम सीखेंगे सेक्शन 1 and 2 में. These are social context, and you will be learning English on the basis of social activities, social things that happen in your daily life. Section 3 and 4 are academic. Their theme is academic. You will be learning things which are required and which are academic. Different academic conditions you may encounter during study. Academic जो है, academia है जो आपका वहाँ जाके जो आप foreign country में, for example, if you are in Canada and you have chosen any course to study, then you would undergo several processes and several situations such as lectures, tutorials, seminars and other kind of academic activities that you would be involved in, and you will be required to share your thoughts, ask for help to your teachers and such things. And for this kind of skills, you will have to be very confident during speaking and during sharing information, or giving or taking in any exam. And these things are included in section 3 and 4. So whole speaking test is very important for your daily life, everyday life, communication, and such kind of skills will be improved after you practice your listening test and give IELTS actual exam. और आगे जो 4 सेक्शंस है लिसनिंग टेस्ट है उसके बारे में बात करें तो कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को दिक्कत होती है समझने कि ये डिफ़िकल्ट किस तरह से है और किस तरह से सेक्शन 1, 2, 3, 4 in between separate in between there are several differences in between them. सबसे पहले level of difficulty is different for each section. As you go from section first to last section, it will become gradually difficultier than previous sections. Increases gradually, difficulty level increases gradually, slowly. Section 4 is much more difficult than previous 3, and as you know, section 3 and 4 are based on academic things, or their context is academic, so it will be a little bit difficult to concentrate on. Breaks in the test, कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को कंफ्यूजन होता है कि ब्रेक मिलेंगे या नहीं मिलेंगे. कोई ब्रेक नहीं मिलती है, ब्रेक मिलती है बट इन बिटवीन टेस्ट. दैट मीन्स you will have several seconds to 10 to 15 seconds to look for the questions before you try to find out answers for different sets of questions, as in section 1, 2 and 3 there will be several breaks for several sets of questions, and each section it set will have 2 to 3 or sometimes 5 questions, and this kind of breaks will be given in first 3 sections and not in section 4. How and when to write answer? आपने एग्जाम नहीं दिया, प्रैक्टिस ही कर रहे हैं, टेस्ट कर रहे हैं, तो आपको पता नहीं कि एक्चुअल एग्जाम में आंसर कैसे देते हैं। तो होता है कि जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कोई भी एग्जाम आप अगर दे रहे हैं तो उसकी आपको क्वेश्चन बुकलेट दी जाएगी। आईएएस में भी सेम है, वहाँ ब्लैंक्स और जो भी क्वेश्चन टाइप हो गए, मगर जब भी आपका टेस्ट शुरू होता है, एट दैट टाइम यू विल ओनली बी गिवन द क्वेश्चन बुकलेट, एंड after the test, after recording starts to play, you will be listening several instructions, and as you reach the question you will require to take notes down on the question paper, or maybe it is possible that you find the answer directly, so you need to write the notes you have taken or answer if you are sure, whatever you have notes on the basis of your listening। ऐसा सब कुछ पूरा हो जाएगा क्वेश्चन 4 तक, सेक्शन 4 तक और पार्ट 4 तक। जैसे कि आर्ट्स में तो सेक्शन से बदल के पार्ट्स कर दिया है, तो जब भी आप चौथा पार्ट जो लास्ट पार्ट है वो पहुंचते हैं वहाँ तक आपको पूरी नोट्स आपने लिखी होगी। और एज आई सेड अर्लियर, यू विल बी गिवन 10 मिनट्स एक्स्ट्रा टू ट्रांसफर आंसर्स टू द OMR शीट, एंड आपका टेस्ट पूरा हो जाएगा। थोड़ी देर के बाद आपसे क्वेश्चन बुकलेट ली जाएगी, आपके पास आंसर शीट तो रहेगी और रीडिंग का टेस्ट शुरू होगा। स्पेलिंग्स का भी प्रॉब्लम है, स्पेलिंग इंपॉर्टेंट तो है मगर ब्रिटिश और अमेरिकन स्पेलिंग में थोड़ा डिफरेंसेस होते हैं, तो दे बोथ आर एक्सेप्टेड इन आईएलटीएस। क्वेश्चंस आर इन सीक्वेंस, यस there is a proper sequence for each question you answer in IELTS listening test, and they will come in a particular sequence, so you don't need to be worried about that। and वो ऐसे नहीं है कि सेक्शन 1 का थोड़ी देर बाद या फिर ऐसे कुछ सीक्वेंस में, अगर मान लीजिए कि आप सेक्शन 1 का रिकॉर्डिंग या ऑडियो सुन रहे हैं तो वो सेक्शन शफल में नहीं होंगे, वो सीक्वेंस में ही होंगे, और ये भी जानना जरूरी है, आपको हेल्प करेगा। ओके, रिवीजन कर लेते हैं। सबसे पहले सेक्शन 1 एंड सेक्शन 2 आर social context, and you will learn several skills in terms of language which are required for social life। As I said, if you are living in English speaking country, you want to communicate in reference of education, accommodation, transportation, entertainment, shopping and health। Also, section 3 and 4 are for improving your academic skills in terms of language। There will be several situations you would encounter while studying। There are lectures, tutorials, seminars and other academic activities which you would be enrolled in, and you will be communicating with your mates and teachers in any foreign country while studying। Level of difficulty increases from section 1 to section 4, and section 4 is much more difficult than previous sections। There will be several breaks in section 1, 2 and 3, but not in section 4। How and when to write answer, you will be taking notes down first, or writing directly answer, but only on the question booklet, not on OMR sheet। You will be given extra time to transfer answers to the OMR sheet as you complete your test। And spellings are important, very important, and British and American both kind of English spellings are accepted by IELTS, and questions are in a sequence में ही होगा questions, recordings में, listening में। तो आज के लिए इतना ही, अगले लेक्चर में मिलेंगे कुछ नई बातें सीखने के लिए। तब तक के लिए